When you search for the best grill guard for deer, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to find the one that truly offers protection for your truck, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Aries 3067 Black Steel Grill Guard. The Aries 3067 Grill Guard caught my eye immediately with its aggressive look and solid build quality. Priced at $544.13, it's a strong contender for anyone looking to protect their Ford F-250 or F-350 Super Duty. If you want serious protection without drilling into your truck, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1.5-inch heavy wall tubing is designed for maximum strength, which means it can handle impact from deer without bending or breaking. Plus, the included pre-drilled light mounting holes let you easily add LED lights for better visibility at night. The dual-layer E-coat and powder coat finish ensure it resists corrosion from the elements, keeping your guard looking good season after season. Now, some people complained about the installation instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy, you can definitely figure it out, and the no-drill feature really makes it easier for most truck owners. This is perfect for you if you own a Ford F-250 or F-350 and want a reliable grill guard. Skip this one if you're looking for something that fits a different vehicle or if you want a chrome finish. For the price, it provides solid value. Now, if the price of the Aries grill guard made you hesitate, the next one offers a different style and price point. Product number 2, Longroad Access Chrome Front Grill Guard. Next up is the Longroad Access Chrome Front Grill Guard, which stands out with its shiny chrome finish at a price of $1,249.99. What caught my attention was its comprehensive protection for your truck's front end. If style and durability are what you're after, take a closer look at this one. With its heavy-duty 3-inch tubular construction, this guard provides exceptional defense against deer strikes, safeguarding your bumper, grille, and headlights. The installation is a breeze with no drilling required, which is a huge plus for those who want to avoid complicated setups. Plus, it includes a license plate holder and even windshield wipers, adding extra value. However, some users reported that the chrome plating can scratch easily, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for a guard that maintains a flawless finish. But honestly, if you don't mind a few scratches and want solid performance, this guard still holds up well against impacts. This is perfect for you if you drive a Freightliner Cascadia and appreciate a stylish chrome look. Skip this if you're worried about maintaining that shiny finish. Overall, it's a worthwhile investment for the protection it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a sleek appearance without sacrificing strength. Product number 3, Kozak Full Front Bumper Grill Guard. Coming in at the same price point as the last one is the Kozak Full Front Bumper Grill Guard. This one is specifically designed for newer Freightliner models and gives a polished look while offering uncompromised protection. If you want a guard that's as functional as it is stylish, this one's worth your attention. What sets this guard apart is its heavy-duty 3-inch construction, which enhances durability against road debris and deer strikes. The no-drilling installation means you can have this baby on your truck in no time. Plus, it comes with a 22-inch LED bar and a full set of accessories, which is great for those who want everything in one package. That said, some users pointed out that it doesn't fit cab models with adaptive cruise radar. So, if you drive a model with that feature, this guard may not be suitable for you. But if that's not a concern, you're looking at a top-notch guard. This is perfect for those who want a stylish upgrade for their Freightliner while ensuring maximum protection. Skip this one if your truck has advanced sensor systems. The value is there, especially with all the extra accessories you get. Now, if you need something tailored for a semi-truck, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Kozak Front Grill Deer Truck Bumper Guard. Next, we have the Kozak Front Grill Deer Truck Bumper Guard, designed specifically for Volvo V&L models from 2018 to 2025. Priced at $1,399.99, it promises a perfect fit and maximum front-end protection. If you're serious about guarding your rig, this one deserves your attention. This bumper guard is engineered with a full coverage design that covers your bumper, headlights, and grille from deer strikes and road debris. The high-polished stainless steel construction means it's not just durable, but also looks great on your truck. With no drilling required, you can easily install it yourself with the included brackets. However, some users mentioned that it might be a bit heavy, which can make installation a little tricky for one person. But honestly, if you've got a buddy to help you out, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Plus, the long-term savings from avoiding repair costs after a deer strike make it a smart investment. This is perfect for Volvo V&L owners looking for maximum protection and a polished look. Skip this if you're not a Volvo driver, though it's specifically tailored for that model. For the price, it offers good value if you want to protect your investment. Finally, if you're looking for something that combines practicality with aesthetics, the last product might just be the one. Product number 5, Kozak Front Grille Deer Moose Brush Guard. Last but not least is the Kozak Front Grille Deer Moose Brush Guard, compatible with Kenworth T680 models from 2012 to 2021, priced at $1,249.99. This one caught my eye for its combination of rugged design and functional protection. If you want a sturdy guard that also boosts your truck's appearance, look no further. The heavy-duty construction ensures that it can withstand impacts while also offering stylish protection for your bumper and grille. It features an easy no-drill installation, which is a huge plus for someone who wants to get back on the road quickly. Plus, it comes with a 22-inch LED bar, making it great for nighttime visibility. That said, a few users have noted that it can be a bit bulky, which might obstruct some views for shorter drivers. But honestly, if you're used to driving a larger truck, it shouldn't be a major issue. In fact, many appreciate the added height for better visibility on the road. This is perfect for Kenworth T680 owners who want strong protection while enhancing their truck's look. Skip this if you have a shorter stature or are sensitive to visibility issues. Overall, it's a great investment for those wanting solid protection. So, to recap, we've looked at the Aries 3067 for its strength, the Longro Ad Access for style, the Kozak Full Front Guard for its comprehensive kit, the Kozak for Volvo drivers focused on protection, and finally, the Kozak for Kenworth owners who need a rugged look. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most for your truck. Whichever you choose, you're investing in the safety of your vehicle and your peace of mind.